All right. This is like one of the videos that I really didn't want to make, but at some point you just get tired of some of the people that comment, and unfortunately, this guy's gonna get blocked for this. But I just had a post on Facebook, really just a problem here that I posted recently, which is a very simple problem. It's 60 plus 60 times 0 plus 1. 60 plus 60 times 0 plus 1. All right, so we have Robert Lowry here from Alabama who decided to post 121. And as I posted in the description, I gave some hints saying that 1 and 121 are both incorrect answers. And I gave a link to the video describing it. And so after he posted the 121, I said, hey, it's mathematically impossible. Watch the video. And then he comes back 60 plus 60 equals 120. And I guess what he meant to say was 120 times 0 is 120. And then I said, watch the video. You don't understand multiplication by 0. And that's sad. Watch the video before you comment again. And I see this happen a lot with adults. A lot of adults are really confused on multiplication by 0. I've covered this a number of times, a lot of other videos where there's multiplication by 0. And I've had so many people tell me, well, 0 times 120 is 0, but 120 times 0 is 120. And I've said it over and over. I think a lot of people are just confusing addition with multiplication because obviously 120 plus 0 is 120. 120 times 0 is still 0. It's associative. You can switch them. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. And in the same way, 0 times 120 is 0. 120 times 0 is still 0. But the thing that really got me on this one, and, this is normally I wouldn't post stuff like this, but, when somebody does this, I asked him to watch the video, right? So watch the video. So his response back was, you watch if 120 times 0 is 120. Dumb A double S. So, the thing is, it's frustrating when you have people like this who they get so embedded in their confidence. Their confidence exceeds their knowledge, unfortunately. And there's this rampant, arrogant ignorance among some people. And I'm sorry, Robert Lowry, you are arrogantly ignorant. And you've just given yourself a whole video. The backlash from this might be that there's going to be other people that are going to come out here and they're going to leave the same kind of ignorant comments like this. Instead of trying to learn it, understand it, I gave him a chance to just look it up, but you had to go there and start calling names. And you know, well, I'll just tell you right now, in the future, everybody that does that is getting banned. So we're not putting up with it in the channel. We're not putting up with it on the YouTube channel. We're not putting up with it in the Facebook group or the Facebook page. So just want to get that out there. So poor Robert, you know what? You can keep believing whatever you want to believe, but you're going to stay out of my page. So Robert Lowry from Alabama, see you later, bud.